What's going on YouTube? This is DTM Jono. This is what I'm bringing to the event today. Y'all already see it, man. We got Snkrs Fest. Alright, it's May 22nd. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna gecko rigging. I'm finna throw every box in this hamper. Cause there ain't no way I'm gonna be able to record and walk through this convention center, bro. I'm finna throw all these boxes inside this little hamper, bro. Y'all see me getting down right now. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. This is a real hustle right here. I'm gonna slide that in there. Bro, this ain't gonna even fit. Oh, no, bro. Oh, hell no, that ain't gonna work, G. I'm gonna go ahead and pack up the car. I'm gonna hit y'all right back. Hold on.
We here, baby. That's the convention center right there.
At the light, use the right lane to turn onto North Meacham Road.
Bro, I have to take like 5 toes to get out here, y'all. 12A. All right, let's remember this. So we're gonna go down here. Man, I'm finna spend so much money on toes. It's whatever though. We in here. I don't care no more, man. I'm finna find a parking spot and I'm finna live life, okay? I'm finna live life. Seize the moment. Alrighty, guys, we have made it. We here. We're in a parking lot. I'm trying to stack up my stuff real quick. Oh, okay. Ooh, yeah, we out here. What's my burn rubber? Why do I come in so hot in this parking lot? I'm hitting brakes, all type of stuff. Let me grab my stuff. Can I one hand all these into there? Ooh, I kind of got it. Hold on. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to grab all these. Come on. Yeah. Oh yeah, we ready. All right, we going in. Y'all see what I got on the feet? I got the Pinnacle ones. It's busting. See what it's looking like. I'm gonna get some footage for everybody, all right? Y'all stay tuned. I got 5 pairs of shoes, man. This is hard. I'm trying to see where everybody at. You already know it's DTM Jono. This is my man, Matt. We just made a deal on the bread. Good pleasure doing business with you, man. Yes, sir. Moving on. I'll be around, man, for sure. You got social media? Man, we out here in Schaumburg, man. I got my little shoes with me. They got the heat over here, man. They got fired. Straight fired. Yeah, you know this DTM Jono, man. I just got blessed with a table. We at Snkrs Fest, y'all already know. Your name, Martel?
Cartel.
DTM Jono, man. Follow him. I'll have his Instagram and his information inside the description. You feel me? Gratitude, man, for sure.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For sure. Man, we out here, man. Y'all already know, man. It's DTM Jono. Snkrs Fest 2022, man. We out here today. You feel me? I'm finna go pay the DJ to go spin my tracks out there. We really finna get this motherfucker busting. For real, for real. We got the whole table in this motherfucker. I got FOMO left, man. Y'all come check me out. I got FOMO left. What's up with it, man? Yo, what's up? Talk to me nice and talk to me twice. I got FOMO left. Let's get it. What's up, man? You can check them out. 400. 10 and a half. And you know what I always tell people? Don't take my advice. Go look how much they going for and let me know if I'm doing a good deal or not. We out here, man. And we out here. Y'all know we got the Pinnacles on today. Bam! We got the Pinnacles out here, man. How much cash you got?
I got 2 right here.
You got 200? And you don't got nothing that's like a 10 though?
Would you do like some cash and then like some Apple Pay or like Cash App?
Yeah, I mean you got Zelle Cash App?
I got you. Like, the crazy part is, I'm not gonna lie to you, the crazy I
feel you.
I work at Adidas. That's why I
Oh, yeah?
so bad, because I can wear them to work.
Ah, I see. That's. Oh, you trying to get some? You trying to get some hoes? Okay, I see. Now I don't blame you, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
Man, we trying to make some sales. Come shop. My man checking out the chocolates right now, man. For sure. He already got the heat on his feet. He got the fire raised. He trying to get some more fire. You already know, man. Right now. All right, we got a possible sale. Check it out. All right, boom. give you my phone number. All right. DTM Johnny, you already know I'm back, man. And I'm with, what's your name? Eric. Eric? I'm with Eric. Just made a deal on the Yeezys. They up out here, man. Gratitude, enjoy them. For sure, for sure. Man, it's DTM Johnny, man. And we booming them off in here, man. You hear me? $800, let's get it. We got 3 left, we got 3 left, we got 3 left. When will they go? Nobody knows. Y'all already know what the fuck going on, man. It's DTM John on here. What's your name?
Hey, yo, Mile High. Shout out to my bro. We finna play a track in a second, and we finna go crazy. Yeah, Snkrs Fest. If you know, you know.
For sure. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, man. Go ahead. Oh, then go. All right, let's get it. They finna spin my track, man.
Shout out to my bro Kyle L. We outside, baby. This Chicago. Mile High. Snkrs Fest 2022.
Y'all know what the fuck going on. DTM Jono in this bitch. Close to the beat, so she just sent mojitos. Fuck up from the back, they call me Big Papito. On the neck, the nigga shoot his ass like free throws. She's got the rich and regular bitch they call burritos. We so frio with my amigos. Like a Rio, like this real, come grab the wheel. Smoking on that diesel, call that pimp the Chaco Will. You still Rocky Diesel? I see you, bro. You on my back for real. Your bitch, she's so ego. It's 100 pages in this lady in your side. Make your body look all sloppy. Yo, you see your freaky trying to hit me with that topic. Told her bring a fling, a clone, a copy. Spit about a band just to snack it with my hands. Spit about a band just to wreck you and your man. Up on a nigga, shoot his ass like free throw. She's like Doritos, wrap the bricks, they call burritos. Pussy in the beach, so she just sip mojitos. Fuck her from the back, she call me Big Papito.
Make sure y'all support them.
DTM Johnny, y'all heard me? Yes, sir.
To all the Chicago artists out here, man. My name is DJ Mile High. If you want your record played, come holler at me.
Let's go.
We just walking in. Welcome to the party.
And just like that, we out. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We in this bitch, man. DTM Johnny, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Y'all already know what's going on, man.
Boom.